Hey guys, tikslolo here, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make your solid state hard drive, hard disk drive, whatever is missing on your file explorer pop up. So basically I got a new SSD for Christmas, but when I plugged it in, it did not pop up. And so basically this is how you make it pop up. So go ahead and go down here and click right click on the Windows 10 logo, and then go ahead and click disk management. And then when you guys are on this screen, you probably are going to get a disk in this initialize disk. Go ahead and click OK on it, doesn't really matter. And then whatever says unallocated, it probably is that hard drive. So pretty much what we're going to do here is go ahead and left click on it. So you can make these like little lines. Right click, click new simple volume. After you guys done that, go ahead and click next, and whatever letter you guys want. Right now I'm gonna put as O, and sorry, a little bit. Go ahead and click next, and then go ahead, volume label, whatever you guys want. I'm gonna put as Christmas SSD. So I got this in Christmas. Go ahead and click next. Finish, and there you go. So when you guys go over here to File Explorer, should be right here. Right now I have 2 terabytes of SSD. And yeah, so pretty much, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it down below. If something went wrong, or if you need help, go ahead and just leave it down below, or message me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.